This lesson shows how to simplify rational expressions. To simplify the fraction 12 over 16, you factor the numerator, factor the denominator, cancel the common factor of 4, and the result is 3 over 4. Simplify rational expressions the same way. Factor the numerator, factor the denominator, cancel the common factor of x minus 4, and the result is 6x over x minus 9. The numerator factors with a GCF of 6x. In the denominator, look for factors of 36 that add to 13. Since division by 0 is not defined in algebra, any value of the variable that makes the denominator of a rational expression equal to 0 is not valid. These are called excluded values. For this expression, the excluded value is negative 4. So going back to the first example, the excluded values are 4 and 9. Determine the excluded values from the original expression. For this example, factor the numerator, cancel the common factor of x plus 3, and the result is x plus 5. For the numerator, look for factors of 15 that add to 8. Notice, you don't write the answer as x plus 5 over 1. And the excluded value is negative 3. For this example, factor the denominator, cancel the common factor of x plus 6, and the result is 1 over x plus 2. For the denominator, look for factors of 12 that add to 8. A common mistake is to write the answer as x plus 2. This is because with the numerator canceled out, it looks like there's nothing left in the expression but x plus 2. However, the factor of x plus 2 is in the denominator, and it has to stay in the denominator. So the correct answer is 1 over x plus 2. The excluded values are negative 2 and negative 6. These examples demonstrate an interesting complication when simplifying rational expressions. The ratio x minus 3 over x minus 3 simplifies to 1 because the numerator and denominator are the same. You can reverse them, 3 minus x over 3 minus x, and the ratio still simplifies to 1. However, the ratio x minus 3 over 3 minus x is the ratio of opposites or inverses, and simplifies to negative 1. In order to understand this, notice, if the expression simplifies to negative 1, the numerator and denominator must differ by a factor of negative 1. To see that this is true, start with x minus 3 and multiply by negative 1. Which gives negative x plus 3. Since this is a sum, you can switch it around and you get 3 minus x. So you can see these expressions are different by a factor of negative 1. In general, the ratio of a minus b and its opposite or inverse, b minus a, simplifies to negative 1. So for this example, after factoring the denominator, you have factors of 5 minus x over x minus 5, which cancel, leaving a factor of negative 1. And the final answer is negative 1 over 7. The excluded value is 5. For this example, after factoring the numerator and denominator, you have factors of 2 minus x over x minus 2, which cancel, leaving a factor of -1. And the answer is -2 over x plus 8. The numerator factors with a GCF of 2. In the denominator, look for factors of -16 that add to 6. And the excluded values are 2 and -8. This lesson showed how to simplify rational expressions. This lesson was brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.